So there's a new insurance rule that sounds like good news, but trust me, there's a major catch.
The whole idea was to help lower your home insurance bills. Who doesn't want that, right?
But this so-called cost-saving measure, it can actually hide a huge risk to your wallet.
This change is for homeowners with mortgages backed by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac.
And that's about 70% of all conventional mortgages. So yeah, there's a good chance this applies to you.
Okay, so it all boils down to two little acronyms, RCV and ACV. Knowing the difference is everything.
RCV is what you used to be required to have. It gives you maximum protection. Simple as that.
Then there's ACV. It's the cheaper option, but it only pays for what your old roof is worth today.
So here's the trade-off, right? You get a lower monthly bill, but you take on way more risk. And that risk all comes down to one single word: depreciation.
With an ACV policy, your payout just shrinks every single year as your roof gets older.
Okay, let's put this into a real-life scenario. This is where it gets really interesting. All right, picture this. A big storm hits. It's going to cost $25,000 for a new roof.
Now, with that old RCV policy, you'd just pay your $4,000 deductible. Simple, clean, done. But with the new ACV option, whoa. First, they knock off 10 grand for depreciation before your deductible.
And that leaves you with a staggering $14,000 bill. That's all on you. So yeah, you might have saved a little on premiums, but now you're stuck with this massive bill. So what should you do right now? It's actually pretty simple. Just 3 easy steps.
It all comes down to this. Yeah, your premium might be lower, but is your home really protected?